Hello students. Today I will discuss about that glycerol metabolism, right? Glycerol, it is a one type of that trihydroxy alcohol and which is important in for that lipid synthesis, right? We know about that lipid, it is made up by that fatty acid and the alcohol, okay? But there are two types of alcohol which is present in that lipid, trihydroxy alcohol or as well as monohydroxy alcohol. But in this glycerol, it's present in that trihydroxy alcohol. See, here one is that the structure of the glycerol. First of all, CH2OH, CHOH and then CH2OH. It is called that glycerol structure. Right? See, here one is that we are found that trihydroxy alcohol group, which is important for that triglyceride structure. We know about the triglycerides. Triglycerides, it's one type of that fat see here one is that triglyceride structure, the three fatty acid and one glycerol, it is present, right? We know about the triglycerides, but in the triglycerides that forms in that adipose tissue, liver as well as in the kidney. See, here one is that the question is that why the glycerol metabolism important in our body structure. We know about that the glycerol. The glycerol, it is a fat molecule, right? See, here one is that our liver, the stored fat as an energy source as well as our adipose tissue. But when the liver use the fat as a energy source, that fat molecules that break down into that fatty acid and glycerol, right? जब भी फैट का ब्रेकडाउन होता है तब क्या होता है, तो फैटी एसिड और ग्लिसरॉल एज अ एनर्जी मॉलिक्यूल के रूप में हमें मिलता है. द ग्लिसरॉल इट इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू दैट ब्लड स्ट्रीम वाया glycerol metabolism as well as gluconeogenesis process. Okay, here one is that the question is that why the glycerol metabolism important in our body. Glycerol, we know about the glycerol is an energy source, right? But in this case of that हम क्या कर सकते हैं इस ग्लिसरॉल मेटाबॉलिज्म के थ्रू. डायबिटिक पेशेंट्स में क्या होता है, तो उसके शरीर में उसके बॉडी ब्लड में क्या होता है, थ्री टाइम्स हायर देन ग्लिसरॉल विच इज प्रेजेंट इन दैट ब्लड, राइट? तो हमें पता चल जाता है कि ग्लिसरॉल अगर जो हमारी ब्लड में हाई है, यानी कि वो क्या है, तो डायबिटिक पेशेंट्स हैं, राइट? तो हम ग्लिसरॉल मेटाबॉलिज्म के थ्रू ये जान सकते हैं कि अगर ब्लड में ग्लिसरॉल की कंटेंट उसकी परसेंटेज हाई है तो उसे हम क्या करेंगे, डायबिटीज़. ओके, एज वेल एज लीवर की जो वन टाइप ऑफ क्या है, लीवर इज अ वन टाइप ऑफ द चेक पोस्ट, राइट? तो एक ऐसा भी एक्सपेरिमेंट किया गया था कि whenever they inject the glycerol injection, how much glycerol it's absorbed in by a liver tissue, right? It is a mainly important of that check post. Okay, see here one is that the glycerol metabolism importance. The glycerol metabolism that found in that adipose tissue, liver and the kidney. ये थी ग्लिसरॉल मेटाबॉलिज्म की प्रोसेस. ओके, जो आपको समझ में आई होगी कि इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर दैट लिपिड सिंथेसिस. ओके, लिपिड सिंथेसिस हम हमारे शरीर में फैट मॉलिक्यूल क्यों स्टोर करते हैं, राइट? कार्बोहाइड्रेट या फिर प्रोटीन को क्यों नहीं स्टोर करते? इट इज़ वन टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन. इन दिस क्वेश्चन विच आर आंसर दैट glycerol, it is one type of the easiest product to store in the as a energy form, right? But protein and the carbohydrate is a one type of the source which is used that highly amount of that water in that storage for that carbohydrate and protein, so that it is easy for that storage. And also whenever the fast, જ્યારે પણ આપણે ફાસ્ટ કરતા હોઈએ છીએ ત્યારે શું થાય છે, તો ગ્લિસરોલ ઇટ્સ કન્વર્ટેડ ઇન ધ ગ્લિસરોલ મેટાબોલિઝમ વાયા ગ્લુકોનિયોજેનેસિસ as well as glycerol metabolism and pyruvic acid. From that pyruvic acid, you know about the DHAP and the PGL, it's connected to that EMP pathway, glycolysis pathway as well as gluconeogenesis. Okay, तो ये थी glycerol metabolism की process and why it is important in our body structure. Okay, thank you.